incendiary device. Candle on a stick, that's right. Very technical.
Your extended reach incendiary device.
There you go, I like that, extended reach. I could put a couple of meter sticks together and could be like telescopic. Okay, here we go.
We're in the end.
Oh, here, I'll get over here so y'all can see.
Is it gonna go low or is it gonna fly?
Look at make it
I don't know, I'm gonna try not to make it shoot at you.
Make it shoot at me.
If I can make it shoot at a certain person. Do you guys want to get up and come over here? You guys can do that. We got a lot of people over here. Over here? Yeah, you can just come over here.
I'll just stand like right here. I'm gonna.
What do they explode?
I'm gonna stand
I
here.
think explosions just
We're not your waist. Oh, sorry, waist. We good?
So is everybody here? Can everybody see?
Yeah.
Okay. I promise I won't let this stick up again.
Okay.
That's taken a long time.
Oh my goodness.
Not quite